and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing class 6, chapter number 7, decimals. So, let's continue with the chapter. In today's video, we are going to discuss the concept of tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now, what is this? Let's discuss. What is tens? The decimal fraction which have 10 as the denominator are called the tens. That is, 1 by 10 is represented as 1 by 10 is equals to 0.1. So we are going to represent 1 by 10 as 0.1 and we are going to read it as 0.1. Similarly, 2 by 10, we are going to represent it as 0.2 and we are going to read it as 0.2. 3 by 10 can be represented as 0.3 and we are going to read it as 0.3. That means where we have just one digit after the decimal, it will be called as the tens place, right? I hope this is clear. Now let's see what is hundreds. Similarly, like tens, the decimal fractions which have 100 as the denominator are called the hundreds. Like 1 upon 100 can be represented as 0.01 and we are going to read it the same way. 2 by 100 we can write it as 0.02. 3 by 100 we can write it as 0.03. If you would have clearly noticed, decimal places के बाद कितनी digits आ रही है हमारी 1, 2, again 1, 2, again 1 and 2. That means the second place after the decimal is called as the hundredths place. So when we are having one digit after the decimal, it will be tens. When we are having two places after the decimal, it will be hundreds. And similarly, when we are having three places after the decimal, then we are going to have the thousandths place. The decimal fraction which have 1000 as the denominator are called the thousands. That means 1 upon 1000 can be represented as 0.001. Similarly, 2 upon 1000 will be represented as 0.002. 3 upon 1000 will be represented as 0.003. So this is how we are going to mention. If we have one place after the decimal, it will be tens. If we have two places after the decimal, it will be hundredths. And if we are having three places after the decimal, it will be thousands. I hope this is clear to you. Then comes the concept of like and unlike decimals. Like we did in like and unlike fraction, let's see what is the concept of like and unlike decimals. Like decimals, the numbers which have the same number of digits in the decimal part or the fractional part of the number is called the like decimals. For example, let's see 0.6, 63.9, 0.5, ये सारे हमारे like decimals है. Why? Because after the decimal we are having just one digits. So these are like fractions. Let's take B part. B part में 6.56, 0.23, 23.75. So we are having two places after the decimal. तो सभी में हमारी two places है. That is why these are called the like decimals. Similarly, C part. Decimal के बाद सभी में हमारी three places हैं. That is why these are like decimals. As you can see on the screen also, 4028.32, 25.03. डेसिमल के बाद कितनी प्लेसेस हैं? टू प्लेसेस हैं दोनों में. दैट इज वाई दीज आर लाइक डेसिमल्स. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज अनलाइक डेसिमल्स. The numbers which have different number of digits in the decimal part of the number is called the unlike decimals. That means सब में different होगा. For example, 7.3 यहाँ पे 1 है, 0.38 यहाँ पे 2 है, 13.452 यहाँ पे 3 places after decimal. That means जब हमारे पास number of digits after the decimal are unlike, then these are unlike decimals. For example, you can see on your screen 782.46 we have two digits and 482.638 we have three digits. That means दोनों में same number of digits after decimal नहीं है. That is why these are unlike decimals. Let's see the concept of converting unlike decimals to the like decimals. How we will convert? By adding 0. First we are going to add 0, but where we are going to add 0? To the extreme right of the decimal part does not change its value. What does this mean? For example, we have 2.8 and 3.167. We have to convert these two into like fractions. So what we are going to do, as we have discussed in the previous video, हम एक्सट्रीम राइट के अंदर जितनी मर्जी ज़ीरो ऐड कर सकते हैं. इट विल नॉट चेंज द वैल्यू ऑफ द number. Similarly, we are going to do here 3.167. We have 3 places after the decimal, right? So here we have 1 place after the decimal. So what we are going to do? We are going to add first 1 0. So it will make 2 places after the decimal, and we are going to add another 0. So this will make 1 2 3. 3 places after the decimal, and we have 3 places here after the decimal and here also. So these are now converted to like decimals. So what we have to do? We have to just make the number of places after decimals equal. I hope till here it is clear to you. Now let's discuss your exercise 7a, question number 1. We have to just tell which of the following pairs are like decimals and which are unlike decimals. Like and unlike पहचानना है हमने बस. A part is 0.4 and 12.7. See, point के बाद कितनी digit? 1, and इधर point के बाद कितनी digit? 1. So these are like decimals. Similarly, let's see C part, 4.98 and 18.514. We have how many digits here? 2, and here 1, 2 and 3. That means these are not equal. So this is unlike decimal. Right? And let's see one more part, that is E part. E part is 178.235. That means we have 3 digits after the decimal and 0.432. We have again 3 digits after the decimals. So this is also our like decimal. I hope this is clear to you. This was very easy concept. Let's see your one more question, that is question number 2. Convert the unlike decimals 6.2, 0.1, 12.21 and 2.0034 into like decimals. How we are going to convert? See, we need maximum how many places after the decimal, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to convert everything with 4 decimals. How? See, 6.2000. How many places? We are going to add 0 towards the right. Right में add करेंगे. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 places हो गए. That means ये हमारा like decimal में convert हो गया. Then 0.1. Again we have to complete 4 places. It will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. जब तक हमारी 4 digits complete नहीं हो जाती after decimal, till then we are going to add 0 towards the right. Then we have 12.21. Again हम 0 add करेंगे towards the right. It will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 digits आ गई. That means हमारा like decimal में convert हो गया. And last वाले में तो है ही 4. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is already like decimal. So now we have converted all 4 numbers into the like decimals. So this is how we are going to do. I hope till this it is clear to you. So your home task is you have to do exercise 7a, question 1 and 2 remaining parts in your notebooks. Till then, stay happy, take care, stay blessed, stay connected, and thank you so much.